In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a manual journal in Zoho Books. Manual journals are essential when you need to record adjustments that don't come from a regular invoice, bill, or payment. Think about things like year-end adjustments, corrections, or internal transfers between accounts. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Zoho Books and what to pay attention to when you enter your journal, so it's accurate and easy to trace later. First, open Zoho Books and sign in to your organization's account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, find and click on the section labeled Accountant. This area is specifically designed for accounting tools and advanced entries, and that's where the manual journals live. After you click on Accountant, a list of options will appear. From that list, select Manual Journals. This opens the page where you can see all the manual journals that have already been created, including their status, such as published or draft. It's a good place to quickly check whether a similar adjustment already exists before you add a new one. To create a new entry, go to the top of this page and click on the button labeled Create New Journal. This opens a fresh journal form. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct organization and financial period so the entry will post to the right books. Now, fill in the details of your journal. Start with the journal date, which should match the date of the transaction or the date you want the adjustment to affect your reports. If there is a field for a reference number or journal number, use it to keep your journals organized and easy to track. Add a clear description so that anyone reviewing the books later can understand why this journal was created. Next, move down to the line items. For each line, choose the appropriate account, then enter the debit or credit amount as needed. Remember, total debits must equal total credits before you can save. You can also use the description field on each line to add extra context if the adjustment is more complex. When you're done, go to the bottom of the page. If the journal is final and ready to affect your reports, click Save and Publish. If you still need to double-check the figures or get approval, choose Save as Draft. That way, the journal is stored safely but won't impact your financial statements until you're ready.